up, y'all?
So today we're on a mission to catch some perch. We're going to get some worms right now to try to catch some perch, and we're gonna eat them today. Catch and cook perch. We got our bait, headed down to, where are we headed?
Delaware City.
Going down to Delaware City to try to catch these perch.
And maybe Port Penn.
Maybe Port Penn. Huh? On bait, we're gonna use it as bait.
8-inch ones we take.
There we go. All right, so we're gonna. This is a little too small, but we're gonna use it for bait.
Oh, that's definitely bait size.
Yeah.
We gotta catch the 8-inch fish.
8 inch. Yeah, it gotta be 8 inches in order to keep.
You want this?
Bait.
Is he getting it?
No, that's just fucking.
We're hooked up with a perch. Finally, that's 100% 8 inches there.
All right.
That's a good perch. Measuring him out right now. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's 8.
He's 8 inches. There we go. Finally. Is that him?
All right.
Yeah, that's a fish. That's a good fish. All right, we're hooked up. I think it's a catfish. Yeah.
Can you reel in?
I'm pretty sure I'm good. Oh, is it blue? Is that a blue?
Yeah. Got spots on it?
That's a blue, right?
I catch blues in Christiana. I haven't caught a flathead yet. Yeah, I believe that's a blue.
We just caught a blue cat. It's pretty cool.
It's not a blue cat, is it?
Are you sure?
Got spots on it?
Dude, I'm pretty sure it's a blue cat.
The ones I catch are darker blue than that.
That's channel cat. That's a channel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
It looks
Probably is.
sweet. All right. Eat them? No. The release.
Where is he at?
One on the grass shrimp again. Dude, that's 8. For sure.
Yeah, we got him.
There he is. Number 2. There's our other one we caught earlier. Oh. Yep, there he is.
Oh my God, he's busting up in there.
All right, hooked up with our second fish.
Oh, it's a blue cat.
That is an ugly fish.
Dude, he's on his head. Oh my.
Ew. This is the ugliest. I don't even want to touch it.
That's the funniest catfish I ever seen, dude. Funny helping.
Do you have pliers? I don't even want to touch him. That is a disgusting catfish. Ugliest catfish I've ever caught. Our perch. We're headed back. Cleaning these perch here. These are white perch. Washing them off here. So right now he's scaling this fish. So he just cut off the head there. Scaling the rest of it. I think he's gonna wash it off. So should I just pour oil in here?
Pour it in there to get it hot and let it sit in there so it can warm up.
All right, so we're getting these gallon baggies right here. So we got flour, the bottom of the bag.
Breadcrumbs.
garlic going in the bag.
I'm not away from you, so if it looks
Obey?
So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna put that inside there, and you're gonna also put it inside the egg. Now you save the seasoning. You don't throw it away.
We got lemon and pepper, which lemon always goes good with fish.
Put it in there. Put it in there. Just throw it in the bag.
Just put the lemon and pepper in there. Got them Trader Joe's extra large eggs. Garlic in here too?
Yeah, and pepper. So we put some garlic in there.
Black pepper. How much?
Black pepper is key.
How much black pepper?
Just a little bit. Not too much, but you know. This is what we're doing right now. We're soaking the seasonings. This is where the seasonings come in.
Should I do all of them?
Come on, they can see my hands now. It's like, nah. Alright, so we got all the fish yolked up and eggs, and now we have it in our bag of seasoning.
So you shake it, right?
Yeah, that should be good. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you take it out.
They look pretty seasoned up. You bet.
So,
Get golden brown, golden Jasper brown. Get ready to eat this perch.
right now, everybody, stay tuned. Eat some good old perch. We'll get back with you. Yeah.
You wanna go first?
It don't matter. Yeah. Look at that. Now, you see this? This meat is pure meat. It falls off the bone. I'm not lying to you. These fins taste like chips. Literally chips. They taste so good. Like, I don't understand what's wrong with them.
That's not bad.
Tastes so good.
That's actually pretty good. Here are the perch, all cooked up. If you like this video, start doing more of these. What should we do next? I want to try catfish, bluegill. I really want to try catfish. We're not gonna catch them out of the nasty Brandywine River though. Jasper's gonna eat this tail fin for you. Thanks for watching Try Bassin. Nasty.